Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be fixing the top on my 2007 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible, which you can see is stuck halfway open. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be fixing the convertible top. It is stuck in an open position and it is actually an easy fix. Alright, I'll give you a closer look here. It is stuck in, well, halfway open anyway. And I was actually using the power switch to close the top, and it got that far and it stopped, and I tried doing it again. The switch is right there under the armrest, and unfortunately it does not move. So the first thing you want to do, if your windows are not already in the upright position, you want to put all the windows up, and then using the switch up here that puts all 4 windows down at the same time, you're going to press and hold until they all go down. And then you're going to use that to bring all 4 windows back up. You need to turn the ignition off. Then you'll turn the ignition back on, and that should reset your power top. So we'll press the lever here between the seats. And now it has gone all the way down into the open position. And now we'll bring it back to a closed position. And there we go. And that's how you reset the top when they get stuck open. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.